Today we will be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 233 different strategies, with 75 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we have been keeping track, it has outperformed 122 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,001 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. So the source video says, new artificial intelligence buy-sell indicator beats all indicators on Tradingview. So of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this strategy. Now, interesting enough, there is no artificial intelligence indicator used in this strategy. It's just probably a buzzword in the title for people to kind of click on. And so don't expect a new artificial intelligent buy-sell signal indicator. Anyways, let's go ahead and turn off these two indicators here. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the multi-spectral RSI deviations, this one right here. You'll add that to the screen and it will look like this here. The next indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the trend trader buy sell signals, this one right here. You'll add that to the screen and it will look like this right here. And so what we are looking for is when we get a sell signal, in this case we're looking for a short trade, we get a sell signal from the trend trader indicator, and we are looking for the candles to be green and for price to be above this kind of moving average cloud right here. And so we get the sell signal from the trend trader indicator, and then we're going to look down to the RSI here, and we want this line here to be above the 0 line. Now I did go in and turn off a few of the settings on this. So I turned off this line here, this line here. I don't think these plots were used. And I turned off these two right here, the regular bullish and bearish as well. And that just kind of cleaned up the indicator so you can see this line a little bit better. So anyways, we have the sell signal here. Green candles were above the moving average cloud, and the RSI is above the 0 line. When all those line up, that's going to be your signal to enter into a short. You're going to set the trade right there. Put your stop just right here above this swing, and you're going to target a 1 to 2 risk reward in this case. Let's see, right about there. All right, let's play this forward and see what we get. All right, so you can see that we stair step our way down there, eventually getting ourselves to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we're looking for is the buy tag from the trend trader indicator. We want the bars to be red, the candles to be red, and we want the price action to be below this kind of moving average cloud right here. Then we're going to look down to the RSI, and we want the RSI line to be below that 0 line. Once all those line up, that's going to be our signal to enter into a long. I'm going to set our trade right there. Put our stop just right below that swing, and we're going to target the same 1 to 2 risk reward right there. Let's play this one forward and see what we get. And it takes just a little bit, but we eventually creep our way up here. And on this candle right here, we make the break there, getting us to our take profit. All right, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 14 winning trades and 36 losing trades, putting it at a 28% win rate. So with the 1 to 2 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $8,400. On the losing side, your drawdown would have been $10,800, risking $300 per losing trade for an overall loss of $2,400. So definitely not the new artificial intelligence buy sell indicator that beats all, as the source video claims. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 53 trades altogether. We had 46 winning trades and 7 losing trades, putting it at an 85% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, then your total gain would have been $27,600. On the losing side, you would have lost $6,300 for an overall gain of $21,300 altogether. Significantly better results and profit. All right, so let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Keep track of the trades that the Academy of Forex indicator signaled. And so last week on the Forex pairs, we had 10 trades altogether. We had 9 winning trades, 1 losing trade, a 90% win rate. Would have been a gain of $4,620. On the crypto coin, we had 3 trades, 2 winning trades, 1 losing trade, a 66% win rate. Would have been a gain of $420. For the week, we would have been up $5,040, and at the 18-week total now, we would have been up $37,180 over 156 trades. You can see more statistics on the strategy here, and you can see the growth there. So really good stuff from the Academy of Forex indicator. All right, that's it for this strategy here. This one is going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.